Hello! What a beautiful spring day! I'm here to say thanks. I'm Janet Valenza, by the way, and I'm here to say thanks for supporting GOGOgracious. We love our customers and we appreciate your business. I have some exciting news, very exciting. We have had several meetings at a major high-end New York City department store, and it provides a great opportunity for us to do some business, to expand our company, and also to bring the GOGOgracious brand to many more women, to make it easier for all of you to look and feel great. In order to do that, I'm going to ask for your help. We're looking for someone to produce our line. We want a licensing partner. And you may say, well, what's in it for them? Well, a couple of things are in it for them. First off, they would make more money than they would if they were an outside resource producing it. And secondly, at a time when their sales may be down because so many stores are closing, we provide a new retail distribution channel because we are direct to consumer. So if you know the owner of a high-end clothing manufacturer, maybe it's a friend, a relative, or even if you know someone who may know that person, if you could provide that info, I would be so grateful. Just hit reply and type it real quick. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.